If you have recently been wondering about best Christmas lights on Amazon, then this video is for you. In this video we detail about Christmas tree with informative details and customer reviews, so that you can know A to Z about best Christmas lights. Let's go!
Number 1. Clear Christmas tree. If you're not sure where to start or want to ensure your lights go with any and every type of decoration, go with classic white string lights. The bulbs on this affordable set last an average of 2,500 hours, and work independently of each other, so one burnout won't ruin the whole strand. About this item, Creative Mini Christmas Light Set. This Christmas light on green wire set includes 100 transparent mini lights, 26.5 feet green wires, and each bulb is 3 inches apart, 18 inches lead wire, 3 inches end connector. It can be connected end-to-end to meet your decoration needs, up to 5 creative light strings, premium and safe. The incandescent mini Christmas lights are made of great material and superb craftsmanship, built-in fuses, universal listed certification, can be used safely, perfect for Christmas tree, Thanksgiving Day, Halloween, birthday parties, great for indoor and outdoor lighting, decoration eye protection warm white light. The mini indoor Christmas light set comes with eye protection warm white light and green line, which is great for tree, bedroom, balcony, garden decoration. These 360-degree sparkling string lights can not only provide good lighting effects, but also bring a more romantic festive atmosphere, independent lighting and durability. Each of the light is independently illuminated and does not affect each other. Turning off one light will not cause the other lights to go out, which is very user-friendly. This standard grade mini strings are extremely durable, and have an average life of 2,500 hours, easy to install. The Christmas light sets come with 1 spare fuses and 2 spare bulbs for easy replacement. This mini Christmas light can be connected end-to-end, and can be extended to a longer connection length, making Number 2. Dazzle Bright Christmas. You can't go wrong with classic multicolored lights. This option is extra long, which is ideal for a larger tree. It also comes with 4 spare bulbs, 4 flasher bulbs, and 2 spare fuses, so you can fix any small issues throughout the years. About this item, Delicate Christmas Lights. Decorating Christmas with Dazzle Bright multicolored 150 clear incandescent lights, emits a soft light, adds a pleasure festive atmosphere. Perfect to fit any indoor and outdoor space.
Number 3. Brizzled Color Changing Christmas Lights. I don't know where to stop. This set gives you so many options to play around with. It is remote controlled and provides 4 brightness levels and 11 different lighting modes. Try everything from simple warm white to flashing multicolor, all with a click of a button. About this item, 11 lighting modes and color changing. 11 lighting modes available for all occasions. Color and white combination, steady on for white color. Mix 130% white plus 70% color, and mix 270% white plus 30% color. Separately, white and color slow glow. Breathing for white and color, white slow glow, color slow glow. Flash for white and color, in wave for white and color. Enable you to choose bright white or multicolor for any decorative project. End-to-end connectable. Upgraded adapter string lights allowing end-to-end linkable up to 3 sets. Total 600 LED 197 feet. And extend to get your desired decoration needs, and release you from worrying about not enough socket issues. Remote control brings you great convenience with the included remote. Control the string lights with 4 brightness level, 11 lighting modes timer, and turn it on off. Up to 26.25 feet wireless range. Note: please remove the insulation sheet before use, and point it directly at the controller when use dimmable string lights with memory function. 100%, 75%, 50%, 25% 4-level brightness. Create suitable, comfortable atmospheres at your needs, according to various occasions. Built-in memory function. Remember your last mode. No need to reset every time. Perfect light decoration. 24V all listed power adapter LED string light. Number 4. LED Christmas lights. If you know you're going to be purchasing a larger tree or just don't want to deal with connecting multiple strings, this set of 300 lights is the way to go. It also has 8 lighting modes and a memory function. so you don't have to reset it every time you turn them on. About this item, 300 LEDs 105 feet and support 4 sets end-to-end connectable. Each set comes with 300 beautiful multicolor glow LEDs on the 99 feet light strand. You can buy 4 sets to connect together, total 396 fort. 1,200 LED enough to cover larger area. Blue, red, green, yellow multicolor changing and 8 lighting modes. The stern light has 8 lighting modes to choose from combination. Number 5. Blue and white Christmas lights. About this item, set of 70 blue and cool white 5mm steady LED lights. Spaced 4 inches apart on green wire. 6-inch lead with fused stackable male plug and 6-inch tail. With female plug for easy end-to-end connections. 24 feet total length. Connect 44 sets on single plug. Safely connect up to 44 sets end-to-end. For 1027 total coverage on one plug, 4.83 watts, 0.04 amps per set. 120 volt fused male plug and female plug for end-to-end connections. Powered by standard 120 volt household outlet. Concave acrylic lens. These new age concave lenses disperse light uniformly in all directions. Patented one-piece non-removable bulb base construction seals out moisture, eliminating corrosion for longer bulb life. All and Energy Star certified. Safe, dependable, exceeds Energy Star qualifications for efficiency. All certified, approved for indoor-outdoor use. If one light goes out, the rest stay lit. Backed by a 3-year seasonal warranty. LED mini lights perfect for Christmas tree lights, outdoor Christmas lights, indoor Christmas. Please, click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.